In this video, I'll show you how to sell an app you built with Lovable AI. First, the good news is that you completely own everything you build on Lovable, so you're free to sell it however you want. Before selling, make sure you export your code. Click on the GitHub icon in the top right corner of your Lovable project and sync it to GitHub. In my case, it's already connected, so I'll click on Configure and then View on GitHub. From there, you can download the repository as a zip file or connect it directly to a hosting platform like Vercel or Netlify. If your app has a backend using Supabase, make sure you set up your environment variables on your new host as well. Now, let me walk you through the three main ways to sell your app. The first way is to sell the entire business. This means selling the app, the domain, and the user base to a buyer. This works best if your app already has revenue or a waitlist of users. The second way is to sell it as a SaaS. Integrate a payment system like Stripe into your Lovable app and charge users a monthly subscription fee for access. This gives you recurring income over time. The third way is to sell the source code or template. List your code on a marketplace for other developers to use as a starting point for their own projects. Now here are the best platforms to sell on. Use Flippa for selling a full app or business. Use Empire Flippers if your app is making at least $2,000 per month. Use Acquire.com for SaaS businesses and no-code projects. Use Sell Any Code to sell your source code and earn up to 90% commission. Use Gumroad for smaller tools and mini apps as one-time digital downloads. That is how you do it.